Area. Now welcome back. Oh. So last time I download this thing with the clan Notepad plus plus now. So the thing are just for you to double click on, or if you just right click on, yeah, anyone whether I run as administrator or open anyone, you just click on. I run on this way. So make I just try install and make we see here. You click on like that. So I come out this one. Make you know the same again. So now they try to install the thing. Now see so you say please select a language. So English, you click OK, the thing go dey go, you say next, agree, then next. Nothing much for inside though. So as there now, if you just, you get me, check, make I not to stress many things, or can they explain some kind of things like contents menu entry and all that, sure. Okay, so I'll come click on install. So as you see now, you don't install be that too. We say like give you access to launch am by default, as in once you don't finish, I be you go close. But I should say you go even ask say make you launch am now based on the way most software. Then the be here you see and run notepad plus plus. So once I click finish now, the thing will just start to run. We can see the thing. See go open. So as you see you see now just almost the same thing. You see so all these ones now the what do they call them menus them. So from here now we start to write our code them, our HTML code. So what it is I just make I just show us how to install the matter, make it no come like you say get one when I leave come out, or maybe in case for some persons maybe say if you don't know how to install now, or say okay you just show us how to download, click and all that. We're all the same. I believe say you know go see go and tell me say how you go take go find them, because normally I just go open my system. Can't go downloads. You understand? From downloads based on programs. But your own thing not be like this because you get software say they by default just make my own they be like this. Based on the software they use IDM. They call it internet download manager, and then they partition the things then create folders onto say programs say you download or software then you just enter here. And this one on Android so they start download. This one has zip. Then this one are the notepad plus plus. And the installer all the executable file be this. So now then be the matter or the thing I say make I just show us for this lesson. So we'll go stop for you. So for the next lesson I will just continue from there. Then maybe we just do something else when we'll be waiting. HTML basics. So I go sooner for the next class. Thank you. Thank you.